So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Roblox login page not working on new device. So guys, to fix the login page on new device, it's not working. First you use the quick login feature by generating a temporary code on a new device. Okay, then you approve it via the account setting on your previous logged in device. If you are still experiencing that issue, so guys, you just check some steps. First of all, check for the service outage. Sometimes the login fails simply due to the server instability. So guys, for check the server status, first of all you simply go and search for the Roblox server status. After that, here you check that the current server status, you just click on it and check the server status. If you find any issues at the place of operational, if it shows that the outage, so it's mean there any issue. So here you see this is the last issue is service disruption and the user player creator, and these are the websites and the locations mean where the issue is happen: mobile, website, app, Xbox. Okay, so if you find any of the issues, and the date of the issue is 29 June, so during your login time if it is any issue, so you just wait. After that your Roblox login page is automatically work. Another thing is guys, verify your time and your network setting. So guys, ensure your new device date and times are perfectly synchronized, as incorrect clock cause the authentication failure if you are on a restricted network, so like school or the public Wi-Fi. So try to connect via mobile hotspot to rule out your firewall or the IP block. Okay, then guys, clear cache and the manage browser extension. So guys, if you're logging in via web browser, cache data or the extension can block the security catch-ups. So to fix this, first thing is you try to incognito mode. So you just click here, and guys, here you see the option of new private window, so you just click it. Now you try to log in with this private window and check that the issue is resolved or not. Still having the issue, so guys, you try to clear cache. For clearing the cache, click on these three lines. After that, go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, here you see the not the settings, you go for the download and history. So guys, here you see history, then open history page. After that guys, here you see the option of delete browsing data, so just click it, and here you choose the cookies and other site, so you just marked and delete from the device. Okay, another thing is guys, you utilize your alternative signage method. So guys, as we know that the Roblox provide the different method of login. Like here you see, when I click on the option of login, so it shows that you can log in with your direct ID password. Then guys, you try to log in me with the one time OTP. So guys, you also log in with email, a one time OTP code, so you try to use this. And guys, you also use the quick sign in. Okay, in the quick sign in, you scan your QR code from your logged in your device camera, and you also option 2, you use this code, open your Roblox app and go to the more page and quick sign in and enter the code. Okay, so these are the things that you can try to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.